This beautifully updated home shows like a designer residence and offers a bright, welcoming layout. The spacious great room features volume ceilings, neutral tones, and triple pocketing sliding glass doors that open to the lanai and pool, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The updated chef's kitchen includes 42 inches white Craftsman-style wood cabinetry, an oversized island with abundant storage, quartz countertops, decorative tile backsplash, and an upgraded stainless steel appliance package. The dining area comfortably accommodates a table for 8 or more and offers additional space for a cabinet or bookcase. The primary suite is generously sized with sliding glass doors to the lanai, dual closets, dual vanities, an updated walk-in shower, and a new toilet. The second bathroom has been completely renovated with a walk-in shower, new vanity, and toilet, and also serves as a convenient pool bath. Outdoor living becomes a private tropical retreat with a large screened under truss lanai offering ample space for outdoor dining and a TV lounge, ideal for everyday living and entertaining. The extended pool deck surrounds a heated saltwater pool with sun shelf and umbrella stand, while the western rear exposure fills the space with warm afternoon light and stunning sunset views. The backyard is lush, private, and fully fenced. Additional features include new tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, a new hot water heater, and hurricane shutters for all doors and windows. Located in a friendly neighborhood with easy access to Cape Coral Parkway and Veterans